सेना दिवस का महत्वपूर्ण अवसर। और जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, ये एक कोरोना काल है। ऐसे समय में हम अपने समारोह सभी कोरोना प्रोटोकॉल्स को फॉलो करते हुए मनाते हैं। यहाँ भी उसी का पालन किया जा रहा है। आज ये दर्शक दीर्घा, जहां वरिष्ठ सैन्य अधिकारी
Srimati Kamala Devi, wife of Grenadier Hari Bhakar. These are moments of sorrow wrapped in pride for the families of the martyrs, and for us, these are moments of deep gratitude.
Just to inform everyone, we are also live on
थल सेनाध्यक्ष का आगमन।
न हार में न जीत में किंचित नहीं भयभीत मैं, कर्तव्य पथ पर जो मिला ये भी सही वो भी सही। सबसे पहले परमवीर चक्र विजेता जिप्सियों में खड़े हैं। उसके बाद आप वेपन प्लेटफॉर्म्स देख सकते हैं। बैंड्स सेनाध्यक्ष के सम्मान में धुन बजाते हुए। Next is the marching contingent of Bengal Service, led by Major Piyush Sharma, सेना मेडल of सिक्योर। परेड कमांडर अपने निर्दिष्ट स्थान की ओर। सेनाध्यक्ष ये हैं एनसीसी कैडेट्स प्रेरित होते हुए।
Mothers, happy children, excited and thrilled to be here as the army chief moves slowly towards the saluting base.
I come from a land far beyond the rarest of breed. With my blood, I write my nation's history. I march sword up. Arms and equipments have changed from swords to missiles, from slingshots to rifles, and from horses to tanks. But the spirit and courage of soldiers has remained unchanged. The men of our army have proved their mettle and have guarded our frontiers, be it the burning deserts.
परमवीर चक्र एवं अशोक चक्र विजेता हैं सूबेदार संजय कुमार परमवीर चक्र, सूबेदार मेजर योगेंद्र सिंह यादव परमवीर चक्र, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल डी श्री राम कुमार अशोक चक्र।
थल सेनाध्यक्ष को सैल्यूट करते हुए और सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजरते हुए और उनके ठीक पीछे
The magnificent men on their magnificent mounts of the 61st Cavalry, commanded by Captain Dipanshu Shioran.
रेजिमेंट का आदर्श वाक्य संगठन एवं वीरता, युद्ध घोष जाट बलवान जय भगवान।
Gallantry awards to its credit the motto of the regiment, Prashast Ranveerta.
capable of destroying any target at a distance of 4 kilometers in day and night. Motto of the battalion, Garud Kahu, Bol Pyare. 30mm cannon guns lowered in salutation and a smart salute by the contingent commander. Operation Meghdut and Operation Raksha. With an ominous, earth-shattering, destructive firepower that can shatter enemies' morale and will to fight, virtually can rain fire and fury on the enemy. The Pinaka multi-launcher rocket system. And now, ladies and gentlemen, comes the sports award winners who have done the nation proud. Rasalda Savant Ajay Anand won silver medal in boxing, third World Cup at Abu Dhabi, November 2018. Subedar Manjeet Singh, he was conferred the prestigious Dhyan Chand Award on 29 August 2020 in front of you. Kindly sit back and enjoy the musical strains and allow the music to gently drift into your senses. Being proudly led by Subedar Parvinder Singh of the 6th Light Infantry.
भारतीय सेना के पाइप्स और ड्रम्स का सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्ता हमारा की धुन बजाता हुआ तनवर के नेतृत्व में ग्रैंड फिनाले 12 मोटरसाइकिल पर सवार.
Indian Army, power of the might of the national flag, Indian Army flag and the Army Service Corps flag wave.
गए दुश्मन के इलाके में तकरीबन 50 किलोमीटर अंदर घुसकर अपने मिशन को एक सफल अंजाम देंगे. Disruptive technologies today, ladies and gentlemen, self-reliance in technologies will be critical. The Indian Army therefore has undertaken numerous technology initiatives in concert with dreamers, startups, MSMEs, the private sector, the academia.
आपके सामने से गुजरता हुआ पूर्ण अनुशासन आधुनिक तकनीकियों से सुसज्जित दुश्मन के ठिकानों को सफलतापूर्वक बर्बाद करने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार. The drone swarm, ladies and gentlemen, as you see in the sky above, is an aggregation of various weight classes and task-specific platforms, as also kinetic and non-kinetic capacities. The kamikaze strikes, may I emphasize, is a complex maneuver necessitating both speed and precision to achieve the desired effect. Enabled, of course, by the convergence of breakthrough technologies in avionics, information technology, artificial intelligence, and the intricate miniaturization of micro-munitions.
Ladies and gentlemen, now please turn your attention to the tank on the left to witness a second kamikaze kinetic strike on enemy tank depicted by Tango 3.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please take your attention back to the screens in front, where you can see a detachment of drones carrying out the search for their targets, technically called as foraging using the onboard AI edge computing. The enemy mortar positions acquired. Enemy tanks identified. FOL dumps acquired.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tango 2 and Tango 12. Please watch area FOL dumps at Tango 4, Tango 5 on the left.
And now look towards Tango 6 and Tango 7. Air-burst engagements of enemy troop concentrations in the open, when isolated posts in inhospitable terrain must be maintained. The hover and drop operations are carried out whence either the terrain does not permit landing or prolonged exposure while delivering critical payloads may be precluded for tactical reasons.
Please take your attention to drones designated for land and retrieve. They have landed in front of you to deliver white-colored medical payload. On landing, the drones automatically switch off their rotors, thus enabling the ground crew to retrieve and exchange critical payloads. Once the payloads are exchanged, the drones restart autonomously and navigate back to the base station. As you see, ladies and gentlemen, the ground crew approaching the drones to exchange the payloads.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the sky above, where the drones are ready to carry out the para-drop operations. As also to avoid disclosing the precise location of own troops on ground. It may interest you to know that a swarm of 75 drones can deliver 600 kgs of critical operational, medical or logistic loads through such a mode.
It will enhance the operational efficacy of drone swarms by several notches. Having successfully concluded close support operations, we shall now witness the synchronized landing of the drone swarms on landing zones Lima 1 and Lima 2 in front of you.
AI algorithms, thus allowing the swarm to carry out precise AI-enabled computational tasks in flight without any reference to the ground control station.
Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, a representative segment of the drone swarm is now flying past to shower flower petals, an expression of gratitude for the faith reposed by the Indian Army in their technological abilities and combat prowess. Such human-machine teaming, ladies and gentlemen, will be the critical pathway for the growth of technological capacity in the military in times to come. हमारे सैनिकों के जोखिम भरे कामों में सुरक्षा का आदान प्रदान होगा, क्षमता दुश्मन के खिलाफ बहुत सिद्ध साबित होगी.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the drones have started their descent. The landing operation in progress, though appearing to be an endearingly simple maneuver, is actually a complex operation which lies at the intersect of numerous technologies.
We bow our heads in reverence as we recall their sheer valor, indomitable spirit, and raw courage. In their everlasting memory, ladies and gentlemen, we present a musical rendition, Jaanbaaz hum Hindustan ke, hum sher tere galwan ke. एक सैनिक बर्फ में चट्टान के जैसे खड़ा है, नववधु की मांग का सिंदूर सीमा पर अड़ा है. वो अकेला ही कई सौ मारने की जिद लिए है, अपने सब अरमान धागे में तिरंगे के सिए है, अपने सब अरमान धागे में तिरंगे के सिए है. देश के अमर सपूतों को
हमारे वीरों ने अपने त्याग और बलिदान से सदा देश की रक्षा की है, देश को संवारा है, तिरंगे के रंगों को और निखारा है. मां भारती के सच्चे सपूतों ने हर अवसर पर बहादुरी के नए शिखर छुए हैं.